guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So part 1 of this video would be down in link below. This is part 2, as you can see from the title. Basically, my grandmother put together some lunch for some family members, and I decided to take the opportunity to bring the camera along and show you guys how she makes some of her stuff. Part 1 of the video, we did curry bacon and aloo with shrimp, and in this video we're going to be seeing some stewed chicken and cucumber chow. We're going to be making and made some cake. We missed the cake video though, but that's okay. So I'll show you guys a full line of what we have in full lunch today. So if you guys enjoyed this video coming up, don't forget to check out the part 1 of the video. I'll post the link down below.
Cucumber chow coming up first.
Cucumber chow coming up. Well, stewed chicken, yeah.
I'll make you up here.
Chicken, guys, if you all didn't check out the first part of the video, check it out. I'll put the link down below. Ma, what you having this chicken? What you seasoning it with? What you seasoning this chicken with?
Pandanya, garlic, some salt,
I see a little yellowish.
mustard.
Mustard. Right.
Mustard, they say that's cut the freshness.
So
Especially chicken.
hot up.
Now put them hot now.
No, hot.
Wait, I'm not put the water down. Oh, I let it well dry up.
Yeah, tap
Yeah.
water in it.
You can raise the heat.
Let it dry. I just want this paper, but I don't want it again. We come here to cook again.
What cut that for?
Seasoning chicken this way. Now I hear about that trick to put celery in chicken.
Celery seasoning, you know, darling.
You put celery in chicken?
I don't really like celery.
Doing a Paul.
Yeah.
Get the chicken from you. Put it to my mouth.
Yeah.
You want a big chop?
Yeah.
But I'm going to get this some.
Yes, Joe. So 3 egg whites.
Just average sugar, Angel.
What thing is avocado thing?
Look at ketchup there.
They're ready. Fit it ready? Not yet?
Not yet, but I want to have it in the hand.
Yeah. So mine's put the sugar and the ketchup.
The ketchup.
Put the ketchup.
Look there.
Oh. Bring some?
No, not yet, not yet. You have to come like a cake.
I'm excited.
A cake.
Yeah.
Alright, hold it, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you put it in the kitchen?
Oh God, no.
Oh, we put it now?
Yeah.
Just turn it up right, don't make me
Don't mind me, I forget that.
Master, some people they say you shouldn't be turning it up. You always turn it up.
I just always turn it. Because the below go stick and the right one won't get it.
How nice that looking.
Right.
But you'll need to come help us train chicken.
When it's done, then I go throw it. Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Come here to come and help me.
Yeah.
We want
We want your day, boy. We want your hair.
Tell me, what do you want? Chicken ready?
Yeah.
¿Dónde como?
Ma, where is spoon?
Wait, that's fly out.
My chicken foot in here.
Good boy.
My kind of thing. So what to do with this, Ma? Cover it?
Yeah, no.
Just leave it?
Yeah. You want to cover it?
I don't know how you do it.
How do you color look at?
Nice.
You have to taste it then, but I know it won't all that.
Ma put in a little bit of soy sauce because she's usually put a little bit.
A little bit.
You just add the flavor from it? Okay.
Extra color.
And some people,
Extra
yeah,
color.
put it to the extra color.
Yes. Good. Where is it? I think that should be good. That's season after
Master, we have to go outside and get the Benny.
I go in and get it.
This is the cucumber we got here, so we're going to be cutting this up while the chicken up, and we're going to be making some cucumber chow.
Yeah, but we have to put it
And
down.
this is the salad that I was telling you all that my aunt just made, looking so nice. Looks good, looks good. Yum, see red onions in that. And we have a little healthy thing too, carrots and some celery sticks here. Got some good stuff going for lunch today. Back in my baby days, used to be playing all here, running around. Oh my goodness, this table, man, this is the same table we used to play Dolly House with? Underneath? No, it's not the same one. Oh, it used to have a table right here. Or used to put all the boxes. My grandfather had a party place and we used to put all the boxes and pretend it's fridge and all kind of thing. Those were some good days. Now you have a little garden here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boy, I want to.
But pepper.
Wait.
But it knows that we're beer.
Oh, look at all the nice olives thing there too.
Yeah.
Plenty olives.
What's so nice?
Yeah.
I want plenty.
So we're picking the shadow benny for the we're going to use it in
Cucumber
the
chow.
chow.
Yeah, that is it. But she don't make the salad. She tell me she will make it. That enough?
One more?
One more?
Yeah.
Look a big one looking at
Yeah.
me. You're looking at me, I go pick you.
And
Nice.
mine just have the 2 tanks here. And they
Yeah,
had tanks
yeah.
and had a crab.
Yeah, but he have it in the back.
Remember you tell me how the crab
Yeah.
that run on the tank and hide on there?
Yeah, yeah. You will remember.
I remember. Master skip and peel for this too?
Yes. And she said, you're with me, I will fix you.
Nah, looking good, man.
Yeah,
Looking good.
real good.
The young?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Well, skip and peel. Just the answer now.
Okay. I don't know who this is.
You know.
Hello. Hello?
All the time.
You can get me too.
Hey, one day I forgot to eat, Khalil.
True.
Yeah.
But sure, if you hungry after.
Yes, so when I said, wait, I didn't eat. I just forget.
We should have mango or something to make chow to go in.
Yeah, but and I tell you that we go eat this, don't worry. So I get full with it then.
Nah, that's good. Where you getting small one too?
It's a set up by. Yeah.
So you don't have a mini chopper?
Yeah, to chop it?
Yeah.
Where go find that? I have it locked away somewhere.
Put out the garlic and put everything on.
No, the garlic blend already.
Oh,
I blend this
right
too.
here already. Watch.
Garlic blend, yeah.
garlic blend up there already. Man, look how much cucumber in here, see?
Ooh, the bowl full.
I tell you, look how much cucumber in here.
Yeah, yeah, baby. We go eat now, girl.
I will eat.
Come in, come in.
Yeah, very hot.
Should I get
Hot.
more
Using the dabla to turn the correct thing.
need more shadow benny to go. How it go in there, boy? How it go in?
Smelling real good.
Master, how much longer this have?
Yeah. What to do?
How much longer it have? How much longer?
Remember, you have to put water in that yet or no?
Okay.
So then about quarter past, I will take it down.
Okay.
So it could be time for you to eat. You could read Zohar here and then go, you know, if you want.
Get you there?
But it's next to you. I'm showing only 1 cup of
My
water.
cover. She get a cover for her for the pot.
1 bowl of water after it.
1 whole bowl?
Yes, a small bowl.
Plenty
I
water
find
in
out
there.
plenty water.
Huh?
Find out plenty water.
You sure?
I want to take a look first for you.
Check and see.
No. I have to cook. Okay. Now
Like that there?
Yeah, no more.
So chicken going strong, turn it up. We could have used it. Oh, you're using that to turn up?
Well, it's better for heat
Yeah.
because this hot any hand.
And it too, it's short for the
yeah.
heat. And why is he doing that?
Chow making.
Chow in the making.
Same as stewchicken coming up.
So chicken finished now?
Come, let me pick out now.
Take a food one time to eat?
Yes.
But still boiling, man.
No, but by the time it's done, that's what we're done. You want that plate or you want the plate to throw away?
You take away, I don't know. So my stew chicken finished here, looking real nice. She have rice, dal. She make provision too. We missed this video though, but hopefully she'll make it again and next time we could get a video on that.
Dramatic effect.
You have the curry baigan and aloo with the shrimp. She make mango too. We should have get a video on this one too. Cause her mango
That
well
mango,
does.
boy.
Saltfish, tomato and saltfish here. We make some cucumber chow, some dal curry in there. My aunt make the salad here. And we have the celery and the cucumber sticks and some salad dressing. Full works. Ma ready to eat. Ready to eat, ma?
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Let's eat.
Come. I want you to take out my food for me.
Me? Okay.
Come on.
Ma, what is the big deal about enamel plates?
Enamel plate.
We have none of this in our house, but I'm going to use one just because everybody know enamel plates.
I have whole dozen. When guys talk about the river to make cookie, I make some curry.
A little piece of provision just because it's asking.
I really need somebody that here, boy.
What's that?
The tomatoes and so with the provision.
Yes.
I forget that.
I need a spoon for this.
Give me a little bit here.
Give me a little tomato.
What, the tomato?
A little touch.
Like this?
Yeah. Put it over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, so normally you need tomato.
Yeah, you need
A
that.
little bit on,
So
the,
dip in
on
it
top of the
underneath, yeah.
provision. Where my chicken? I'm missing these two chicken. Should I take a chicken foot now?
When them come, I can't eat because I remember I was hungry.
I can take these two for now. No chicken foot. Oh, I'll take this already. Some cucumber chow here. My intake salad.
No.
And we had to get some salad in there. Some nice spinach leaves and thing here too, boy.
I was just eating.
Salad, salad. That's my plate, guys. That's my plate. Alright, guys, so check it out. Nice plate of food, right? So it's stew chicken. You saw it. We make the cucumber chow. This in the other video, the curry baigan and aloo with the shrimp. Check it out for sure. This is a nice plate of my food. If you never had my food, well, sorry, you're missing out on half your life. And the husband would say you're missing out on half your life for real. So one of the nicest or greatest memories ever was coming across my mom. She would always have food in her kitchen, like no matter what time you come, she pulling food out from the kitchen. But this time we get to see her make some stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video for sure. Check out part 1, link down below. Time to eat. Enough talking. Thanks so much as always for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Guys.
You make it?
Nope. Chishui. Check this out. This is the cake I was telling you all about, but we totally missed everything on video. Check it out though. We cut it just now.
You know, I come downstairs, I must turn around. No, cut it as
It's looking nice, eh?
What's your flag? Oh God, it's nice.
There's a red big cake, nice big cake make here.
Go man here, Lennon, and it's alright.
We check that. Like perfection. You expected anything different?
Yes.
No.
You know
you
how
just
to-
make boss things all the time.
You know how to look.
Got it, guys. So we have dessert.
Looking nice, girl.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Marble cake, homemade marble cake with ice cream, guys. Check it out. Aunt is a boss in the kitchen. Ain't kidding about that. She makes some royal good stuff. Hopefully she'll, you know, lemon tape one day while she's cooking. Although she don't cook as much, but we shall see. Hi, I'm just eating some of this ice cream and cake. Check it out how pretty it's looking. Come and tell me if it's looking pretty. Come and see.
I can see.
How it looking? Cute?
What's this?
That's just to garnish it, make it look pretty. Yum.
What's this?
Ice cream.
What ice cream?
Ice cream. I don't know.
Vanilla?
I don't know.
I want vanilla.
Cake and ice cream. Husband going in with the provision. This is carrots and celery.
Yeah, do that.
It's healthy stuff, you can just eat it.
Okay.
Thing.
Everybody should have one of these guys. Will you see a lizard?
Did lizard just run there? Oh my goodness, I don't like,
It's just a lizard, guys. But I call Bondanya Lanto for the outdoor garden.